Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you the option of being able to change your drill operation into a thread mill operation. If I were to go into my drilling operation that I have over here, you'll see that we have a drilling operation done with the drill of 5 millimeters, and this was done on these holes over here, these tapped holes over here, which are M6 tapped holes. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to create another operation now after the drilling operation, but I'd like to use a thread mill instead of a tap. So what we'll do right now is do a simple save and copy, and we have our new operation. Now we can go up into our combo box and change my drilling operation to a thread milling operation. So now we have this as a thread mill. Our levels are still as they were before. All I have to do now is change my tool. I'll select a new tool. In this particular case, I already have in my tool table a thread mill tool for the M6. I'll just select that tool, and if I go into my technology, you already see I have my thread diameter as 6, and this works just like any other thread milling operation. So I don't have to go out of my operation and create a new thread mill operation. I can do this directly from within the drilling operation. All I have to do now is save and calculate, and we have now a new thread mill operation done exactly where it needs to be done. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.